guys! Welcome to my channel. This is si Copymate. Today's vlog is I'm going to give you a guide and tips how to maintain your steam iron. So there's a lot of complaint and reason why your steam iron get easily damaged. Actually, the one I show you before, if you watch my video regarding the smart iron and dry iron, the smart iron, it's been 4 years with me, still working, because I maintain that one so that I will not buy again, because that's very expensive. Buying it again and again, and it will last for a year, not only for a month. Okay, let's join me and I'll show you the step by step how to clean your steam iron. By step, how to clean your iron. So you need to put water, your iron in here, fill the water, and then switch it on. After that, you need to wait to make it hot. If you see it's hot, you will see if the steam boost is working. So it means it's very hot now. After that, you need to plug it out, guys. Okay, plug it out. And then, this is the hold in 10 seconds. Don't ever remove your finger. Just make it shake it left and right until there's water leaking. It means it's removing the residue inside your iron. I'll show you guys the calcium or the residue inside your iron if you don't clean it. So that's the reason why it suddenly stop or suddenly damage your iron. This is the one residue inside your iron, guys. This one, it looks like a calcium. It's a sand. This is the reason why it's blocking inside, and then it will start leaking, and it will damage the steam iron. See you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about my vlogs, and then it's really, I know it's really helpful, and you can comment down below whatever your complaint or how can I help you about your iron. I'm the expert. I'm not professional, but I can claim I'm expert. I can help you. Guys, thank you. Bye-bye.